Parrots are fascinating creatures known for their vibrant colors and exceptional intelligence. Did you know that some parrot species can live up to 80 years in captivity? These birds are excellent mimics, capable of imitating human speech and sounds from their environment. With over 370 different species, parrots come in various sizes, from the tiny pygmy parrot to the majestic macaw. They have zygodactyl feet, meaning 2 toes point forward and 2 point backward, helping them grip onto branches with ease. So next time you see a parrot, remember, they are not just colorful birds, but incredibly smart and long-lived companions.